Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort Review. Today we're checking out the Mandalay Bay Las Vegas, one of the largest hotels in the world. It's got probably the best pool complex in Vegas, so I was really excited to stay here and check everything out. So let's see exactly what this resort is all about by taking a full tour. The biggest draw here at the Mandalay Bay is going to be the pool complex. It's got the wave pool, it's got a lazy river, plenty of other different style pools, kind of a beach vibe, beach club vibe. There's even two pools just for their hotels within a hotel here, the Four Seasons, as well as the Delano. So let's check out exactly what it's like in the rooms here. So you check in to the main check-in desk there. I received a small upgrade up to the StayWell Suite, which is located on one of the top floors of the hotel. It's got air purification in the room. Obviously, that's pretty important nowadays, or it might be important to some, so if you're looking for that, StayWell, pretty cool. And if you look out, excellent view from the room, huge pool view, so cannot complain about that. The windows do have a weird tinting at the Mandalay Bay because there's gold tint on the windows, so it kind of gives it a blue feel within the room. If that bothers you, I wouldn't be surprised. Not my favorite feature, but it makes it look really cool from the outside. So split closet here, plenty of room for things to hang. Really was a fan of this room. Really nice and brand new. They just renovated these during COVID. There's the shower. It's got a little bit of a water softener right there on the shower head, which is cool. And then there is the rest of the bathroom. So now let's go check out some of the public spaces at the resort. So one thing that I discovered while on property that is pretty much a huge surprise to me is this Valley of the Falls. So if you're walking from the Strip, which not a ton of people walk over to the Mandalay Bay, most people that are on foot are taking the tram or making their way through the interior hallways from the Luxor. But if you're coming in from the street side of the Strip, there's this Valley of the Falls, which is a really cool entrance with lots and lots of water features that I wanted to walk through. So now we're gonna head back inside to the Mandalay Bay. Lots of escalators and plant life here. It really gives it an awesome tropical feel. Very bright feeling in a lot of spots here at the Mandalay Bay. Again, like its sister property, the MGM Grand, it is absolutely massive. They have a huge shopping complex that connects it to the Luxor and then the Excalibur beyond. It's called the Mandalay Bay Shop. So there's a bunch of restaurants, there's an ice bar, some shopping opportunities there. So you can definitely check that out if you're in the area. Of course, there's lots of restaurants surrounding the casino. There's a House of Blues that's a big popular draw. The Foundation Room, which is a part of House of Blues, is on the top floor of the hotel overlooking the Strip, which is pretty cool. Sea Breeze Cafe, kind of more casual dining. The Noodle Shop, Pan-Asian cuisine there. So lots and lots of options around. There's Asian food all over the place here, it being the Mandalay Bay. And then on the way out to the pool complex, there's, much like the MGM Grand, a really fancy restaurant row. It's got a number of different Michelin star restaurants from back when Michelin rated restaurants in Las Vegas. And then it also has the nightclub Light, which is obviously only open at night. They also have a day club concept down at the pool. I didn't visit it on this trip, but down this hallway is the convention center as well as the Shark Reef. You have Border Grill as well, and a small food court. So lots of things to do on property. If you have kids, the Shark Reef is really cool. Doesn't take all day. But the main draw here is the pool complex. It's really fantastic. Lots and lots of pools for you to explore, including, of course, the lazy river. So it's got waterfalls in the lazy river, and kids love that. The pool complex is so large that there's actually a jogging track around it, so you can do laps around the pool complex. It's just absolutely huge if you're trying to walk all the way around it. If you're staying at the Four Seasons, you have your own pool. You can check out the video on the channel for that. And then the Delano also has its own pool, but when I stayed there, there was really no one checking whether you were staying at the Delano or not for your exclusive pool. So your mileage may vary there in terms of if you actually have an exclusive pool experience. It does get pretty busy around this pool, even though it is absolutely massive. There are even more people that are staying in the rooms above you. So just keep that in mind. If you want a deck chair, get out there as soon as possible. There are a lot of upcharge experiences at the pool complex. You have cabanas that you can rent. There are adults only pools that you can pay to enter. There's a topless pool. So lots of different options for you if you want to try and escape the crowds, though in my couple visits to the property, I've never really seen this pool feel dead or empty. Lots of food, lots of to-go food like taco shacks, etc. So you're never going to be without a burger, though I imagine that the lines get pretty busy there inside here during lunch hour. So there's lockers that you can pay to use. And then a few shops in case you forget sunscreen or anything like, a new swimsuit, something like that. One cool feature I always like is the sand beach that leads into the pool, kind of giving you a beach feel. So that's obviously really popular with people. And that's right as you enter here. So to enter, you just show your room key, they let you in. They definitely guard the pool. So if you are not staying here, it's gonna be pretty hard to get in. So just keep that in mind. So one big negative I will say about the Mandalay Bay, and this is located pretty close to where you would enter the pool complex, it's their cardio room. So notice I did not say gym. They don't have a free gym to access here. You can access it for a paid daily rate at the spa. They do have a cardio room that is complimentary, but it's literally just cardio machines, and it's located right here at the entrance to the pool complex. So just keep that in mind if you're a big gym rat. Do not stay at the Mandalay Bay unless you are willing to pay a fee.